Do any of these questions resonate with your thoughts? Why are exams so tough? What mistakes am I making? Why do students fail exams? And how should I prepare for my exam? Now, these are a few of the common questions that are running through your mind, right? First of all, let me tell you that you are not alone. Almost everyone, including myself, have been through that phase during some stage of our lives. The reason I thought of doing this video is because I believe that I could help you by talking to you about my perspective on exams from three viewpoints: that of a student, a trainer, and an examiner. All right, so first of all, I too was a student. We all need to go through the same phases, but your success would depend on how well you organize your time and learn how to get the most in the shortest possible time. You need to know how examiners think and what they are looking for in a candidate, which you can begin to learn by listening to our series of talks on exam blueprints. The bottom line is that you need to study smart and not hard. All right, my next viewpoint is that of a trainer. As a trainer or tutor, I have had the pleasure of teaching a wide range of subjects, not just medicine, but also maths, music, and even philosophy. And believe it or not, I have had students as young as 5 year olds to 70 plus year olds. So, what I have learned from my 23 years of teaching experience is that no two students are the same. Some need only the slightest push, whereas some require a lot of personal coaching. So, the teaching techniques I use for each student would vary depending on my evaluation of many aspects. For example, their commitment, their effort, level of understanding, etc. Finally, my last viewpoint is that of an examiner. So, what do we look for in a student? Remember, we are not out there to fail our candidates. It's rather quite the contrary. We want the candidates to pass. But sometimes, if the candidate makes very drastic mistakes, ignoring our prompts, then we are forced to mark negatively. So, what exactly do we expect from our candidates? Do we expect them to know about all the latest research trials, guidelines, or scientific discoveries? Well, it certainly would be nice to know. I would say distinction points perhaps. But what we really expect is something quite simple. We want to test you to see if we can trust you with the care of a patient. In other words, are you going to be a safe doctor? Or are you someone I would dare not come to for treatment? So now I'm sure you get my point. Don't complicate your life by trying to study volumes and volumes of books from cover to cover. There are simpler and more effective ways of learning. And by following our videos, we will guide you towards success. Now, I would like you to answer a few questions for me. And this is to help me understand you a little better and create content that would help you with the areas that you are struggling with. Now, here comes the important step. In order for me to be able to help you, I need to know a little bit more about you. What is the exam you are facing? What is the most challenging exam type? And finally, if you have trouble with your studies, who do you turn to for help? So leave your answers in the comments section below and I can try to tailor make all future videos to help you. Last but not least, if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.